Hey there, welcome back to GardenBound. Today, we're tackling a common issue that frustrates many gardeners. Tomato leaf curl. Healthy tomato plants are key to a great harvest, so keeping those leaves in check is super important. In this video, we'll help you figure out why your tomato leaves are curling and what you can do about it. We'll cover how to spot the symptoms, understand what's causing the problem, and show you some easy fixes to get your plants back on track. Before we dive into solutions, it's crucial to pinpoint what's causing the leaf curl. Let's get started on diagnosing the problem. Tomato leaf curl is easy to spot once you know what to look for. Typically, you'll see the edges of the leaves curling either upwards or downwards, which can make them look a bit puckered or wrinkled. Sometimes these leaves also become thicker or take on a leathery texture. You might notice additional symptoms like discoloration, often a yellowing or purpling of the leaves, and sometimes the plant's growth might be stunted or slowed down altogether. These signs are your plant's way of signaling that something's not quite right. There are two main types of leaf curl to be aware of: physiological and pathological. Physiological leaf curl is primarily driven by environmental stressors. This type of leaf curl is essentially the plant's way of coping with challenging conditions. For example, if your tomato plants are exposed to intense heat or sudden temperature swings, they may curl their leaves to reduce surface area and minimize water loss, a sort of self-defense mechanism against dehydration. Inconsistent watering is another common cause. Both underwatering and overwatering can stress the plant. When plants don't get a steady supply of water, their roots struggle to maintain hydration, leading to curling leaves as a signal of distress. Wind stress is also a factor that can cause physiological leaf curl. Strong winds can physically damage the leaves and stems, leading the plant to curl its leaves in an attempt to reduce exposure and prevent further damage. Even excessive light exposure, particularly during the hottest part of the day, can lead to leaf curl, as the plant tries to protect itself from scorching. Essentially, any abrupt or extreme change in the plant's environment can trigger this type of leaf curl as the plant adjusts to protect itself. In these cases, the plant is not suffering from disease or pest invasion, but rather reacting to external conditions. Addressing these environmental factors, such as providing adequate shade, maintaining consistent watering practices, and shielding plants from strong winds, can often reverse the symptoms of physiological leaf curl and help the plant recover. On the other hand, pathological leaf curl is a bit more serious because it's caused by external biological factors, such as pests, diseases, or nutritional deficiencies. For example, pests like aphids and whiteflies can cause leaf curling by sucking the sap from the plants or spreading viruses. Diseases like the tomato yellow leaf curl virus can also trigger severe curling and other symptoms. Additionally, if your tomato plants aren't getting the right balance of nutrients, like potassium or magnesium, they might start curling up as a sign of stress. Understanding whether your tomato leaf curl is physiological or pathological is crucial because the treatment depends on the underlying cause. Let's dive into the common causes and see how we can address them to get your tomatoes back to their happy, healthy selves. Tomato leaf curl can be triggered by a variety of factors. Environmental stress is a big one. Extreme heat, drought, or waterlogged soil can cause the leaves to curl as the plant tries to cope. Even fluctuations in temperature or inconsistent watering can stress the plant, leading to those telltale curled leaves. Pests like aphids and whiteflies are also common culprits. They feed on the plant's sap and can spread viruses such as the tomato, yellow leaf, curl virus, which stunts growth and twists the leaves. Nutritional imbalances, especially deficiencies in potassium and magnesium, can also result in leaf curling, as can improper soil pH affecting nutrient uptake. Finally, herbicide damage, whether from drift or contaminated compost, can distort leaves and cause curling. Identifying the exact cause is key to effectively treating and preventing tomato leaf curl. Let's move on to how we can address these issues and keep your tomato plants thriving. To keep your tomato plants free from leaf curl, start with solid watering practices. Make sure to water consistently, aiming for a regular schedule that keeps the soil evenly moist without becoming soggy. Mulching around your plants helps retain moisture and keeps the roots cool, especially during hot spells. Proper drainage is crucial, so ensure your soil isn't waterlogged. Protecting your plants from extreme temperatures is also important. Use shade cloth on scorching days and consider setting up wind barriers if your garden is exposed to harsh winds. Integrated pest management is your best friend when it comes to keeping pests at bay. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of trouble. Look for pests or damage so you can act quickly. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs that naturally prey on pests. Organic pesticides can also help manage infestations without harming the ecosystem. Early detection and action are key to preventing pests from spreading viruses that cause leaf curl. Healthy soil is the foundation of healthy plants. Conduct soil tests to check for nutrient levels and pH balance. If deficiencies are found, adjust with appropriate fertilizers. Organic options like compost or well-balanced commercial fertilizers can help. Keeping your soil well-nourished ensures your tomatoes get the right mix of nutrients to thrive and stay strong against stress and disease. Herbicides can inadvertently cause havoc in your garden, so it's important to use them carefully. Apply herbicides strictly according to label directions and avoid using them near your tomatoes. Be cautious with compost or mulch that might have been exposed to herbicides. Using certified organic materials can help mitigate this risk. Whenever possible, opt for organic or non-chemical weed control methods to keep your garden healthy and chemical-free. Good plant care practices go a long way in preventing tomato leaf curl. Regular pruning helps improve air circulation around your plants, reducing the risk of disease and stress. Maintain a healthy garden environment by keeping weeds under control, rotating crops to prevent soil depletion, and ensuring your plants are well spaced. A robust garden ecosystem supports the resilience of your tomatoes, helping them bounce back from any stressors. By combining these solutions, consistent watering, effective pest control, balanced nutrition, cautious herbicide use, and overall good garden practices, you can tackle tomato leaf curl from all angles. A holistic approach not only treats the symptoms, but also strengthens your plants, helping them thrive throughout the growing season. Let's dive into a real-world example to see how we can tackle tomato leaf curl effectively. Imagine you're out in your garden and notice that some of your tomato plants have leaves curling at the edges and looking a bit thick and leathery. First, you'd start by carefully inspecting the plants to identify any additional symptoms. You might spot some yellowing on the leaves or stunted growth. Next, you check for pests. Look under the leaves and on the stems for tiny critters like aphids or whiteflies, and don't forget to examine the soil and base of the plants for signs of stress or poor drainage. After determining that pests are indeed present and ruling out environmental stress and nutrient deficiencies, you decide to implement an integrated pest management strategy. You introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs to munch on the aphids and start using an organic insecticidal soap to keep the pest population under control. Consistent monitoring and applying these remedies over a few weeks show a significant improvement, fewer pests, and healthier, more vigorous tomato plants. Here are some practical tips to help you apply these strategies in your own garden. Regularly check your tomato plants for early signs of leaf curl and inspect closely for pests. Keep a hand lens or magnifying glass handy to spot small insects. Use mulches like straw or compost to maintain soil moisture and protect your plants from temperature extremes. For pest control, consider setting up yellow sticky traps to catch flying pests and using neem oil as a natural pesticide. When it comes to nutrients, a simple soil test kit can be a game changer, helping you to adjust your fertilization practices precisely. Now it's your turn. Share your own experiences with tomato leaf curl and any tips or tricks you found helpful in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and grow better gardens together. Until next time, happy gardening.